I'll guide you through linking your debit or credit card to PayPal without getting stuck waiting for a confirmation code. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Before we see how to link from the app, let's start with the PayPal website. If it's a personal PayPal account, click Link a debit or credit card. Enter the full card details and CVV code. Verify that your billing address is correct, which is mandatory for card security verification. Click the Link Card to proceed, which sends the data for final bank authentication. If it's a business account, click Banks and Cards in your business dashboard. Click Link a new card. Enter your card details, including the billing address. Click Link Card. Now let's see how to link your card from the PayPal app.
For a personal PayPal account, tap the wallet icon at the bottom of the screen. In the middle, next to Cards, tap Add New. Select Debit and Credit Cards from the pop-up. Choose to scan the card or enter the details manually. We'll use the manual option. Enter your full 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV. Verify that your billing address matches your bank records exactly. Tap Link Card to submit the information to PayPal for confirmation.
For a business PayPal account, tap the wallet icon. Tap the plus icon next to Banks and Cards. Select Debit and Credit Cards from the options. Choose to link your card manually. Enter the full 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV. Verify that your billing address is correct and matches your bank records. Tap Link Card to finalize the submission. Remember, if your PayPal account is unverified, you can link up to 4 cards to it. When it's verified, you can link up to 24 cards. Wait for an SMS code from your bank or check your bank statement for a small charge. This provides the one-time passcode or the 4-digit code required by PayPal. Return to your wallet and enter the code to confirm the card. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for more digital payments video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.